Hey, what's going on, team? Hope that you guys are all having an amazing Thanksgiving. And this video is for all of our negative Nancys out there. I'm totally kidding. What's going on, team? It's Ricky with Tech with Solutions. But this video, I'm going to be talking about Tesla. And I made a video yesterday. Well, it's still today, but I'm filming it yesterday. And what I wanted to cover is why I'm so obsessive about encouraging people to have a plan. And that's all yesterday's video was. And I want to explain to you my plan, my thought process, and you share your open-ended opinion for traders, right? Not for investors, but for traders when it comes down to this specific plan. We all know that Tesla can be a very attractive hype stock. And when it gets going, it doesn't matter how overbought it is, it can continue to break through resistance levels. We just made 180-day highs as of today, meaning that it has a lot of pullback potential. But why am I someone that is against Tesla? And that's definitely not the case. I mean, if you guys have seen any of my videos, I've been solely focused on Tesla all of last week and all of this week because there's so much opportunity with Tesla, and I got into it from the very beginning. My average purchase price was at 408 right before it pushed up, and I wanted to show you guys this more than just anyone else, right? This was my day on Monday, right? If you guys follow me on Instagram, and even if you guys follow me on YouTube, I post these updates every single day on my overall P&L. This was my P&L on Monday of last week, $6,500 when Tesla had that huge push because of the addition to the S&P 500. This was my day on Tuesday, $1,500. And you guys can see my Tesla position was my biggest winner every single day, pretty much every single day. $6,100, so two $6,000 days last week. And then we go into Thursday, a little bit over $2,600. Friday, $1,500. Monday of this week, $3,400. Yesterday, or Tuesday, $5,300, and then today I wanted to update you guys on my current position, $1,600. I've been killing it with Tesla. I'm all for Tesla, like a lot of you Tesla people like to say, to the Mars, not even to the moon, but to Mars. But you need to have a plan. You need to understand when something is overbought. And what it is that I'm trying to avoid is one of our top comments that I just wanted to pin in yesterday's video is talking about how overbought something is, and when something is so overbought, looking at previous patterns, how it tends to trade. This video is not for investors because if you're long on Tesla, it's for a reason. You're investing in it. But a lot of these people are buying into the hype. They bought Tesla at 550, 560, and for you to think that it can't pull back, it's not that it won't. It's not that I want it to. It's the mentality of if you think that it can't, that's such a naive way to approach the market. And this is fabulous advice. Just found you and liking your style and thinking. I was one of the guys who made and lost a couple months ago with Tesla. Now I jump in and out daily. I leave some on the table, but I'll never ride a position to the bottom again. And what does he mean by that? Well, Tesla, when everyone was saying that, again, Tesla's going to the moon right before its stock split, right, or right after its stock split, it hit highs of nearly 550 after its stock split. Once it announced this, it acted as a positive catalyst for no reason. It aggressively sold off back to the SMA line. This is a very common thing when Tesla hypes up and becomes very overbought. It does tend to pull back. A pullback is not the end of the world. It's healthy, especially for long-term investors, especially if you're someone that's a long-term investor, and especially if you're a trader. It's being able to understand when it has a bullish price channel, right, making higher highs and higher lows, kind of like we're seeing right now, it's attractive. I get why people are paying attention to it just like I'm paying attention to it right now. But it's pushed up so much, just like it did last time, that it would be very naive for you not to have an exit plan. That's all yesterday's video was, and that's all this video is as well. Not for investors, but for swing traders and for day traders. All I'm here to remind you and encourage you is I want you to keep some profits that you've made in your pocket. And if this thing breaks below the EMA line, just like it did last time or just like it did before, because it's so overbought and it's been so consistently green for the past 10, maybe 12 days, it shouldn't surprise you if it pulls back. Pullbacks are healthy. And all I want to remind you and encourage you is to have a plan, right? Especially if you're going long on it. So people love to ask, Ricky, why are you so against Tesla? You think if you watched yesterday's video, I had 140 shares of Tesla. I don't know exactly how much that is. I think that's like $60,000, $70,000. You think I hate Tesla when I'm in it with $70,000? No! I'm doing just fine with Tesla alone today. right? A little bit over $1,200 overall on the day, a little bit over $1,700. It continues to change. I'll probably end the day at $2,000 profit. With all my other days, do you think I hate Tesla? No. I just hate people not having a plan. Beginner traders. That's all I'm here to encourage you to do. So if you're a beginner trader and you've jumped into the hype of Tesla, right now you are correct. It is very bullish. There is a lot of momentum and it has this very bullish channel. If we see a break of pattern and it begins to make lower lows below the EMA line, don't be surprised if it corrects itself back to the SMA line. That doesn't mean that it's going to happen today. It doesn't mean that it's going to happen next week or the week that follows. I hope Tesla continues to push up. But I'm also not someone that's going to be so hopeful that I'm going to go in with 150, 200 shares, hold it overnight, and think that it's only going to continue to push up. That'd be very naive for me to think that way. I'm all for keeping 40 to 60 shares, on average 50 shares overnight, and I trade it with about 150 to 180 shares every day. Why? Because it's so overbought. If Tesla was down here, I wouldn't mind holding 150 shares overnight because of the upside potential, but it's not. It's at a price point that it hasn't been before. It's very overbought and it offers a lot of downside based off of recent patterns. Hype is present, so that's why I trade it. I also do want Tesla to continue to indicate signs of an uptrend, and I think that it still can. But that is why I'm approaching it at ease with a much smaller position size when it comes down to holding it overnight. That's all. So for all you sensitive Sallies that get offended when someone does not agree that Tesla's going to the moon, it's not that I don't want Tesla to go to the moon. I have, as of right now, if I'm not mistaken, 50 to 80 shares, which in comparison to probably everyone with a big mouth that comments about, oh my God, Tesla's going to the moon, I can reassure you that my position is probably bigger than yours, right? And it's not that, again, I hate Tesla. It's that I hate people being closed-minded and not having a plan. And all I'm here to encourage you is to have a plan. If you think that Tesla is not going to pull back and it's only going to continue to uptrend, then I wish you nothing but the best. For all those that are just getting started that, again, are still learning from their mistakes and are approaching Tesla in a new way, I just want to encourage you and remind you to maybe have a max dollar loss, max percentage loss, or some form of exit plan with a trailing stop loss so you at least keep some of the profits that you made in your pocket. And that's really just it. So I wanted to update you guys on my position. I hope that you guys are killing it all this week, right? Especially with all the activity that we've seen with Tesla. It wouldn't be much of a surprise due to the S&P 500 that we see a little bit of a pullback, and then leading up to the S&P 500 addition that we begin to indicate signs of an uptrend. I'm super, super excited to follow up with it. I'm going to continue to keep a small position overnight, and I'm going to continue to day trade it day by day because of how overbought it is. If you like that, great. If you don't like that, then please share your plan down below. It's not that I'm saying that my plan is better than yours. All I'm saying is I just want to encourage you to have a plan, and that's it. So I hope that you guys have an amazing and blessed Thanksgiving. I did want to let you guys know that we are kickstarting off our early Black Friday special. It's our biggest sale ever for Black Friday, and we only do this once a year. It's bigger than our live trading sales, and it is $85 off the Learn Plan Profit course. So the promo code is 1127. So it's just the numbers 1127, which is the date on Black Friday. And you can use that at checkout. It's going to be the second link down below. And we're going to be opening 30 spots for our Black Friday special. So if you're ready to join our team, if you want lifetime access to our daily live trading sessions, then again, you guys can click the second link down below. You guys can either use the link that will send you on over straight to checkout, and it already is going to apply the discount, or you can enter the coupon code yourself, and that's 1127 at checkout, and that will earn you $85 off the Learn Plan Profit course. So again, super thankful for all of you guys. I really do appreciate you guys' time. If you're excited for Tesla to continue to indicate signs of an uptrend, I hope you smash that like button. But most importantly, if you're excited to have a plan and to manage that risk to keep some profits in your pocket, make sure you destroy that like button. Take it easy, team.